Now let's make our to-do list look clean and modern. Let's start with the body. We use Arial font, and if it's not available, any sans serif font. Background color is a light gray. We use Flexbox to center the main content horizontally. Finally, we add 50 pixels of padding all around the page. Now we style the main box to-do container. It has a white background and 10 pixel rounded border. There is a soft shadow that gives it a lift effect. We add 20 pixels of padding inside and set it with 400 pixels. This makes it look clean and centered on the page. The main title is centered inside the container. This makes the heading easy to read and visually balanced. The input section uses Flexbox to place the input field and button in one line. The gap property adds the 10 pixels of space between them. We also add a 20 pixel margin at the bottom to separate it from the list. The input field grows to fill all the available spaces because of Flex 1. It has a light gray border and rounded corners. We also add 8 pixels of padding for comfortable typing. All buttons have blue backgrounds and white text. They have no borders and slightly rounded corners. The cursor changes to a pointer when you hover over them. On hover, the background becomes a darker blue for a nice visual effect. The unordered list has no bullets and no extra padding. Each list item is displayed as a flex container. The content is evenly spaced with justified content space between. Items are centered vertically and there is a light border underneath. Flex wrap lets the items move to a new line if needed. The span inside each list item holds the task text. It takes up all remaining space and has a small left margin. The date appears in smaller, gray text below the task. It takes the full width of the line and it's slightly indented. The action buttons, like Edit or Delete, are small gray buttons. Each has 5 pixel space between them. The delete button is red to show that it removes a task. These are the main control buttons under the list. The sort button is green. The sort by date button is blue-green. The delete select button is orange. And the delete all button is violet. All of them are full width and have some space above to keep the layout tidy. This CSS creates a clean, modern and easy to use to-do app design. It uses Flexbox for layout, soft colors and rounded corners for a friendly look. Next, we'll make it come alive using JavaScript.